Alright, well, this is my berthing room. This is where I've been spending the last, I guess 7 days so far. Got just 2 bunks. We share a bathroom. Yee's on the other side there. A reasonable space. This is where we keep our immersion suits. This is actually a hanging closet, but I have not used it. So then we will go out. I'll give it another view. Pretty small dorm room. That noise is just someone scraping rust off the side of the boat. This is the hallway to our room, which is right through here. That was Yee sitting there. This is how you get up to the crew's quarters and the bridge. We'll go down here. Another hallway. This is the main lab, and there's Tom. This is where we have performed quite a few of the parts of the experiment. We collected a lot of data. Had people walk from over here to over there and back again.
Hold up all the tape lines.
Yeah, I see that. Are there any marks where we've made the floor dirtier?
You may be able to see something.
Yeah, that's alright. We have ping pong. We've got a game of beanbag toss over there somewhere. And then these are the foot timer switches that we were using. We'd place one of these on the toe and one on the heel of each foot, and then we'd be able to tell when the toe and when the heel hit while people were walking. You may be able to notice that the ship is moving quite a bit, but we will go outside and you'll be able to see that pretty clearly. Lock this door up so it's not moving anywhere. Now this is the ocean. It's ocean as far as the eye can see. And it's been this way for over a week. We have not seen any other ships. I've seen an albatross. There's actually one flying around over here. We'll get some video of that shortly. You'll see some of the crew probably. So this is me just standing here. Right now we're about 2.2 days or 2 days out of getting into the Puget Sound, and then it will even way out. There's a lot of noise around here because that's what people do, is they just make noise. She is sanding off the ship. The ship makes noise as it's moving because the propellers and all that stuff, motors. But you can see the ship just moves up and down and up and down. There's an albatross flying around out here somewhere. There he is. I've learned that albatrosses are pretty much garbage eaters. What they do is they eat what we toss up. So whatever we chop up with the propeller or from the water, they pick that up out of the water. This is what the sea was like the first couple of days. It was just waves and waves and waves. And then we hit a big swell and we'll go up, and then we'll go down, and then we'll go up, and then we'll go down. and that's why I was pretty violently ill. I only vomited a couple of times. I'm pretty sure Tom did that a few more times than I did. But over here on the starboard side, Brian has been paged. But that's the water. So then you can go all the way up to the bridge up there, but I'm not going to do that right now. That's cold out here, so that's that.